First, we import the Next.js router from the Next router package. This router object allows us to interact with the routing functionality provided by Next.js. We declare a variable perf start and initialize it to 0. This variable will hold the timestamp marking the start of our navigation. Here, we define a class named NavigationTimer. Within the constructor of this class, we will set up our event listeners. We bind the event handlers handleRouteChangeStart and handleRouteChangeComplete to the Next.js router events RouteChangeStart and RouteChangeComplete respectively. We define the handleRouteChangeStart method, which is an arrow function that takes the URL we are navigating to as an argument. Inside this method, we log to the console that the navigation is starting, along with the destination URL. We use the performance_now function to get the current timestamp in milliseconds and assign it to our perf start variable, marking the start of the navigation timing. Next, we define the handleRouteChangeComplete method, which also takes the navigation destination URL as an argument. Inside handleRouteChangeComplete, we calculate the duration of the page transition. We subtract the perf start timestamp from the current performance_now timestamp. We then log to the console the destination URL and the calculated duration of the navigation, providing insight into the client-side routing performance. Optionally, we can send the calculated duration and the URL to an analytics endpoint or use it for real-time monitoring. This could be done with a function call like sendNavigationTiming, passing the duration and URL as parameters. Finally, we create an instance of the NavigationTimer class. This instance will automatically start listening to router events and log the navigation performance as we interact with our Next.js application.